Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Adam.
And my name is Sarah.
You are listening to English Podcast Home.
This is Learn English, episode 32.
This episode is for beginners.
We will speak slow English.
Please listen carefully.
Repeat after us.
Let's start learning English together. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Hello. How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I am good today.
I am good today.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
Practice. Repeat slowly. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
I am good.
I am good.
My name is Adam.
My name is Sarah.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Adam.
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I like learning English.
I like learning English.
Extra practice. My name is Adam.
My name is Sarah.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I am learning English slowly.
I am learning English slowly.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Do you like English?
Do you like English?
Do you practice every day?
Do you practice every day?
Is English easy?
Is English easy?
Is English important?
Yes, English is important.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I like learning.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I listen to podcasts.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch English videos.
I can learn English.
I can learn English.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I speak English slowly.
I speak English slowly.
I am confident.
I am confident.
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Adam.
How are you today?
I am good today.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Do you like this podcast?
Yes, I like this podcast.
Why do you like this podcast?
I like this podcast because it is easy.
Is it easy to understand?
Yes, it is easy to understand.
Is it good for beginners?
Yes, it is good for beginners.
I like this podcast.
I like this podcast.
It is easy.
It is easy.
It is good for beginners.
It is good for beginners.
Do you listen every day?
Yes, I listen every day.
Do you learn new words?
Yes, I learn new words.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice speaking.
Learning English is fun.
Yes, learning English is fun.
We learn step by step.
We learn step by step.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for learning with us.